Consonant digraphs. In this module, we will focus on spelling sound correspondences for common consonant digraphs. A digraph is two consonants that combine to make one sound. The objective of this lesson is for students to be introduced to one consonant digraph. Teachers will show how to blend while reading a consonant digraph. After one is mastered, the same lesson plan format can be used with different digraphs. For example, in this lesson we will focus on the digraph SH, but after your students have mastered SH, you can move on to other digraphs such as CH, WH, etc. This lesson will follow the gradual release model. This teacher will start with the I do it portion. We'll move into guided practice where the teacher and students work in tandem. Next, we will do collaboration during active engagement with the students working in pairs. And finally, we will end with a formative assessment. You do it alone. The length of this support lesson is 20 minutes, and it assumes that your students have knowledge of all their letters and sounds and that they are able to decode short words successfully. Materials needed include letter cards, word-ending anchor chart to collect words and for the teacher to write words on, video resources which are included in the lesson plan, small whiteboards and markers, chart markers and chart paper for the teacher, word cards with digraph on one word card, word endings on the other word cards, and post-it notes for the students to use during their independent reading practice. The instructional sequence will start by reviewing some short CVC words with the group chorally. The teacher will then briefly point out the features of a CVC word. For example, in the word bat, each letter makes its own sound. B-at. Today we will learn about digraphs. A digraph is two consonants that combine to make one sound. Learning digraphs will help you spell and read even more words. The teacher will then show the digraph SH, point out what the sounds S and H make independently. Then show what sound SH makes when we blend it together. A great way to use digraphs for your students is by using poetry. For example, here's a poem, Seashell. Continue the teacher modeling by reading aloud several SH words, such as ship, shop, shut. The teacher should write the words on the board or chart and circle the digraph for the students to see. Moving into guided practice, use letter or word cards to model blending with digraphs. Point to the letters and slide your finger as you blend the sounds together. Repeat this with more words and gradually let the students take over for you. For the active engagement portion, give students digraph cards and word ending cards. In pairs, have them put together the cards and then write the word they make on their whiteboard. They should also read aloud the words to each other, because this lesson emphasizes decoding. We always want to link before they leave so the students know that they should practice this skill during their independent reading workshop. As you read in your books today, I want you to look for words that have digraphs that you would like to share with our group. Mark these words in your book so you can share them with us tomorrow. I will give each of you a few post-its to do this. We'll then end with the formative assessment piece. There are two options for this. For option 1, the teacher can write 5 SH words on a whiteboard and have the students read them orally. Or option 2, the teacher can dictate 5 SH words to the group and have them each write the 5 words on their own whiteboards and show the teacher. The formative assessment portion should take around 5 minutes. Additional extensions include practicing on starfall.com, repeating this lesson with different digraphs, going over 2 digraphs in the same lesson, collecting digraphs to add to the teacher-created digraph and anchor chart, counting out sounds on fingers, example, sh, ah, p, 3 fingers, 3 sounds, and having students write their own words with digraphs. Use the extensions that are appropriate for your children and where they are and their needs after you use the formative assessment piece with them. There are several additional resources you can use, including the MESA First Grade Unit 2, which focuses on decoding, Starfall, YouTube videos of digraph songs, reading passages on reading A to Z, and the game On a Roll with Digraphs. The anchor standard covered in this module is RF13A, Know the Spelling Sound Correspondence for Common Consonant Digraphs.